Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this clip art, which is protected, but they want this tree or a tree similar to that to make it look like this. This is pretty fun and pretty easy. So first of all, we need to trace this tree. It's pretty big, so I'm going to reduce it in size. I'm going to go to Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. Does it really fast. Now there's going to be some white matter, gray matter. I'm going to move it over. That's our trace version. I am going to go in and put a yellow box around it. Go up, make it yellow, object order, back a page. And you can see the blacks and the grays and everything. We just want the black, so we're going to grab it. We're going to go to object group and ungroup it. That'll make all the black stay together. And there we go. That's a pretty cool tree for this job. I'm kind of happy they picked that one. I think it's going to look the best. But then just, make it bigger again or whatever size you want. Now the sun, that's not a bad sun, but I think this one, it kind of looks cooler. So I'm going to take an ellipse and I'm going to make it orange. And I'm going to take away the outline. Then I'm going to take another ellipse, make it yellow, take away the outline. I'm going to put it like right in here. And I normally don't use this blend tool, but I'm going to go just like that. As long as you don't come off the blend, as long as you don't go past the wordage let me back up here. As long as you don't go over here, it'll work. So you need to go down and stay inside that realm. Now, I don't even know what on this side, it's blended just 100 times. I don't think it'll even be better at 200 with the color. Doesn't really change it. But then all you have to do is take your tree and place it anywhere you want, go up to object order, front of page, and there you have a tree with the sun in the background. I don't know what other plans they have on what they're going to do around it, but that's how I would do it. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.